swear I don't sound like this all the time. It's just this video.
You say you better.
Hey guys, what's up? My name is Leah and welcome to my channel. Two things. First of all, I'm very sick, so my voice does sound a little like shaky and weird. Sorry guys, if you're new here, I apologize. Number two, today we are going to be doing an unboxing of the Ellie box. So we're just gonna dive into this box. If you guys wanna know anything about this subscription box, it's gonna be linked down below. I don't really wanna give all the details out because it's easy to find, and if you're interested, you can kind of just go on the website and find out for yourself. I'm literally the worst YouTuber right now, but that's because I'm sick and I really don't wanna talk that much. Anyway, in my last box, I got this bag too, so I have an extra bag if literally anybody wants it. It's just this rose gold bag. I think the outside is super cute, however the inside is like this bright yellow and I'm confused of why they chose that color. They literally could have done white. It would have been so cute, but it's like, it's yellow. It's weird. I don't know who thought of that. I do see they gave us this Tone It Up plant-based protein bar for free. I did not pay for this, and it's blueberry and coconut. I'm not sure how I'm gonna feel about the blueberry or the coconut. All right, so we're just gonna taste this really fast. I am sick, so my taste buds aren't up to par right now. We're gonna see if I can even taste this. There's 4 bars in here. I kind of don't want to waste it. I'm not gonna try it. I can't even taste it right now because I can't even smell anything. I know I said I would, but I'm sick. There is a lot of sodium in this thing. It's 105 milligrams. I don't think that is really good for you. Now, back to the clothing. We are gonna try this on. We're gonna actually see if this is worth it. The subscription that I have comes with 3 things. A jacket or top, a sports bra, and a pair of pants. So we're just gonna take all of that out there. The pants were just chilling without one of these things on, so it makes me question if, someone sends it back. So since these were just out chilling for no reason, we're gonna talk about these first. This is a Bally Total Fitness. I didn't know they had clothing. It's Bally Total Fitness leggings. It seems kind of stretchy, and look at those colors. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. It's so freaking adorable. It's like marble but with different colors. I really love the design of these pants. I can't wait to try them on. They are a size small, and I think these might be a little loose on me. It just looks and feels like it's gonna be a little loose, but I love these pants. They're so freaking cute. The next thing I have here is this pink sports bra, and I love how it's runched in the middle. This seems a little small, look, my boob is over here and this ends over here, but we're gonna try to squeezing it. What size is this? This is a size small, and the color is wild rose, which I think sounds so cute. It is an exact match with the freaking bottom, so this is a very cute set, and it has this design on the side where it's checkered, not checkered, it's crossed on the side, which I think is so cute. I just really hope it fits. And the last thing, I am so scared to try because it's just this plain white hoodie. I have makeup on and a ton of makeup because I'm sick, so I'm trying to save my image. This is a very, very white sweater. It's very thin too. I did not expect it to be that thin. I thought it was gonna be a little thicker like the other one. I always get these sweaters in extra small because these things do run a little big. So this is from the brand Marika. I think I've seen this brand a lot in Target, so I think that's pretty cool that it's kind of a brand I'm familiar with. It's just a regular white sweater with the hole, for a pocket straight through the front. Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna try this on. Everything seems very soft and comfortable. I'm just worrying about how the sports bra fits and how the leggings fit. So we're just gonna put that on right now. This is 100% my opinion. At first glance, everything is super cute. I love the colors. I love how comfy everything is. The sweater is a little thin, but it's fine. I could just wear it under my jacket to walk to the gym, so I'm not too nervous about that. But I'm gonna back you guys up and we're gonna try everything on. Okay, so this is how the sports bra fits. I want to say that this sports bra is so tight, and it is a little see-through. If you look very closely, you can see the pad. I have a feeling that if I take these pads out, you would definitely see my nipple, because you can see the pads in the lining very clearly. I'm not really a fan of like how it could actually be see-through. So if you're a girl who likes to go to the gym in only their sports bra, this would be like a total miss for you. Like, yeah, like it makes your boobs look really good with like the design right here, and it kind of pushes it up. However, you take these things out, you're gonna show a nipple. Like, you're just gonna show a nipple. It is kind of tight for me, but on the plus side, there is a lot of support. I don't know, it's just, it has support. Now for the bottoms, it is high-waisted, which I like, but it is a little loose. Like, this isn't small. I probably could have gone with an extra small for the fit up here, but it's not too tight, not too loose. I think that the print is so super, super, super cute. My only problem is how short this is right here. Like, it's like barely touching my ankle. But on the plus side, I think it looks really, really, really good. This is something I can definitely see myself wearing at like the gym. It's just a little short at the bottom and a little too loose at the top. But other than that, I think it makes you look really good. It is a really thin material too, so it's not going to like keep you warm in the gym. And I don't even know if it's squat proof. Maybe not. Now this next thing is gonna be like super, super hard to put on because I have a face full of makeup. And I have this really, really white sweater. It's extra small too, so it's a little smaller than normal, but I'm gonna give it a go. Instantly, I love how soft it is. That is one of the things I love about the sweater so far, and I just have like my arms through it. It's very small, it's very soft, and it's like a little stretchy. So I'm gonna finesse my head into this and hope I don't mess this thing up. Woo. So usually I'm a small in sweaters, however, I knew these sweaters were a little big, or at least they look like it. So I just got the extra small. It fits perfectly for me. I like that it's a little loose, but not too loose. And it is kind of see-through, but as long as you have something under, you should be fine. I don't know, I'm very impressed with the sweater. It's lightweight material, so you can wear it to work out. However, it's not good for like going outside in like the winter. I definitely give this sweater a 9 out of 10. 9, only because the white kind of scares me, but it is comfy, it is soft, and it's very cute. It's so cute. Alright guys, that is all for my video. I hope you guys stuck around this long. I apologize that I'm sick and I sound a little off. Hopefully next video it will be better. I really hope so. But if you're new here and like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like my personality, please subscribe to my channel. I swear I don't sound like this all the time. It's just this video. All my social media links will be linked below, along with all the information for the box and the things that came in the box. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will definitely see you guys next time. Bye! Mwah.
You say you better